Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Battlefield RedSec Interception error, which says, "This software cannot be used at the same time as the game." This usually happens because of DS4 Windows or a background driver called Interception, which conflicts with Battlefield's anti-cheat system. Let's go step by step and fix it. Step 1. If you're using a PlayStation controller with DS4 Windows, this app can cause the error. Here's how to close it completely. Open the Start menu and type Task Manager. Click to open it. Look for DS4 Windows in the list of processes. If it's running, right-click it and select End Task. If DS4 Windows is minimized in your system tray, the icon's next to your clock, right-click it there and select Close. Now, try launching Battlefield RedSec again and see if it works. If not, move on to the next solution. Step 2. This issue can also occur because of a driver called Interception, which is sometimes installed automatically with controller tools or mods. We'll uninstall it safely using Command Prompt. Step 3. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When prompted by Windows, click Yes to allow. Step 4. Before uninstalling, we first make sure it's properly installed so the removal works correctly. Copy and paste this first command from the video description, install-interception.exe/install, press Enter. If you see a message saying, "Could not write to System32 drivers," that means it's already installed. If not, this command will install it for you. Once done, restart your computer. Step 5. After restarting, repeat the same steps. Open CMD as administrator again, copy and paste this command. Press Enter. You should see a message that says, "Interception uninstalled. You must reboot for this to take effect." Restart your PC once more to finish the process. Once your computer restarts, launch Battlefield RedSec again. The Interception and DS4 Windows conflicts should now be gone, and your game will start normally. And that's it. That's how you fix the Battlefield RedSec Interception error. Quick, easy, and permanent. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.